Hey guys and gals, welcome back to Cafe Con Lego. This is your hostess Cece, and if you want to learn how to create a fun St. Patrick's Day brickheads with mini builds, stay tuned. So starting with the rainbow here, and I'm going to go through each of the builds individually. I'm going to put timestamps in the description below if you want to skip ahead to a specific part or a specific build, then feel free to do so. And also while you're down there, if you could leave a like and also subscribe to the channel, I would greatly appreciate that. So for the rainbow here, I have two of these curved, I believe these are 1x4 pieces with dots. These are just green leaves, so you need two green leaves. Two 1x2, these are dark green tiles, or sorry, plates, and they could be any color green. This one is a sand green 1x2. It's just to connect the top. Any color will do. And then you have two headlight bricks and four clear cylinders. For the pot of gold that goes underneath your rainbow, you're gonna need a cauldron. I got this from the Harry Potter poly bag. And you're gonna go ahead and put a gold cylinder in there. I have a gold 1x1 stud piece there. Just pop that in. Simple as that. Take a flower with a stem, put it in the middle, and then you're going to top each flower off. Okay, all my flowers are on here, and then in order for it to stick here in the back, you need another flower. I chose green to go with the plate here. And then you're able to stick your flower here. Now I got a lot of these floral pieces from the extra set, and extra poly bags. And there you go. There is your pot of gold. For the clover, we're going to be using these pieces here. I have the green circular dots pieces. We got two 2x2 tags, one 2x2 plate here, four leaves, green leaves. You have a jumper plate here. That can be whatever color, no one's going to see that. And then also a 1x2 by 2x2 kind of L piece there. Go. So you have a 4-leaf clover, and we're gonna put this on to the top. Right, it's looking pretty cool right now. It's like a St. Patrick's Day wreath. And then on the back here, in order to put the stand so that we can prop it up. Now you can just finish it right here, but if you want to have it propped up, you want to put your jumper plate down here. So the jumper plate goes on to the 1x2 portion of the L piece here, and then you're going to put it at the bottom of the heart, and this allows you to be able to stand it up. Alright, so for the leprechaun we're going to work in chunks so it's easier for you guys to follow along. We're going to start with the legs. So I have a 4x4 plate here. It's just so that it's easier for him to stand. Next we'll do the arms. You're going to make 2 identical arms here. So that's going to be his sleeves. Do the same for the other one. Okay, and he's going to be holding 2 pieces of gold. So we're going to go ahead and put these into these slope pieces. Alright, and then we're just going to top it off with these 1x1 green circular tiles from dots. So now we have hands for him. We'll come back to them later. Now we're going to make the leprechaun ear with the side of the hat, so these are connected, and for this I'm using a 1x2 tile, a 2x2 upward slope, a 1x2 kind of cheese wedge there, and another one. Next we're going to be using a lot of snot pieces or studs not on top. I have a total of 8 with 8 of these modified 1x1 bricks with studs on the side, a 1x2 regular tan brick. We have 2 of these 1x2 green snot bricks, 2x4 bricks, 1x1 bricks, 1x2s, 2x2 plate, a 1x2 tile, and a 1x4 tile. Now if you can get both of these to be the same color, I didn't have a 1x4 tile in this color, and I didn't have a 1x2 tile in this color. So okay, so here's where we are so far on this build. We just put the hairpiece in the back, and now we're gonna take a 1x2 green brick with studs on the side. We're gonna put it on both sides here. That's so that we can attach the arms. And now we're going to put a 1x1 green brick here. This is actually 3 1x1 plates here, but that works if you guys didn't know. It's the same size as a brick. 3 plates equals 1 brick. Next, we're going to be adding on the hat. So you're going to take a 2x2 green brick here, put that on the head, and now we're going to take these 1x2 snot bricks here, add these on to one of them, add this one on like that to the back of the other one. This is how you create the lip of the hat. For the decorations on the hat, we're going to take a star, put it on one of these green jumper plates, put one on the front. I'm going to do the same for the back. And now we can put these on to our little guy here. And you see the way we did that so that the bill of the hat sits right on top of his head. And I used these 1x2 tiles here, but you could use a 2x2 tile. I just didn't have any more, plate. I didn't have any more plates. And now for the top of the hat, I'm going to take these 1x2 wedges here, put each one there on the top, and we're going to put this here in the back. I'll put the black one. Okay. So that's your hat. And now we're gonna put on the ears. So he's carrying some gold here, and let's go ahead and top him off. There's your leprechaun. Okay, all together, guys, this is what it looks like, and I want to thank you for hanging with me here in the Cafe Con Lego. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what your experience was with building this. Also, if you're doing something special for St. Patrick's Day. I will also add my Instagram down in the bio, so please tag me if you decide to follow along with this build.